Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Drive download failed. If you're encountering download failed error in Google Drive, try following the steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First, you need to check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet and that the connection is stable. Google Drive requires an active internet connection for downloading the files. Or you could go to the drive and simply tap on the files to retry the download. Sometimes the download may fail due to a temporary glitch. Retry the download to see if it completes successfully or not. Or you could also go back and press the drive like this. Go to the app information, select storage and cache, and in the bottom there's a clear cache option. Tap there. If you're accessing Google Drive through a web browser, you could also try clearing your browse cache and cookies. This can help resolve download issues as well. And you could also try updating your app. Go to the Play Store and in the search icon type drive and open the Google Drive over here, and there will be an option showing you update if it's not updated in your phone. And you have to ensure that you are using the latest version of your web browser or your app in your Android, and check for updates and install them if available. Or you could also try restarting your device. Sometimes restarting your device can resolve temporary issues that may be causing download failures as well. And by following these steps, you should be able to fix most download failed errors in Google Drive and successfully download your files as well. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.